Patriots, definitely.
Miami.
Patriots.
Well,
Patriots,
let's go.
Happy New Year.
Hey, 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 hey.
Listen, this is the road to the Super Bowl. It starts right now.
Hey, this is Penny the Penguin. Wallowing away.
T-Mac and Slade, we hope you're back for another year.
Been going to these games, these exact seats, since I was 5.
Good luck. Play hard.
If someone told you for this season, this is the last time you wear this jersey, this is the last time you at home in a blue jersey, what would that mean then to you? If they said that in August, this is what the day will look like. How much preparation would you put in? How much would you want to come out here and dominate? Well, today, fellas, I'm telling you, this is it. This circle at home. What's up, buddy? Good luck, man.
Dropping back that second down, and pocket closing it. There's a long ball right for Thornton. He makes the grab, stepping across the sideline, and he had it in the field of play. Myers, Aguilar right, for snap to Jones. He's throwing it towards Thornton, left corner of the end zone. Caught! Touchdown, New England!
Great. That's it. Hey. Nice job! Nice job! Yeah, dog. Let's go. I appreciate you, baby. Keep it rolling, man. Okay, really, it's more pass game, but they can't stop the pass and base. That's just the truth. So we'll ride with it until they figure it out. And then once they figure it out, we got to be ready to go.
I mean, I know a couple are 2 or 3 yard gains, okay, but I don't care who hits the big ones. Keep putting it down the field.
Somebody forced it to me. I said, oh, this is what I've been waiting for. They said, Waddle was like, bro, you gonna reroute me all game? I'm like, all game, bro. All game. Hey, come here, boy. Come here. Big second half, baby. Big second half. Let's go.
Ball puts the hash mark. Shotgun snap to Bridgewater. Back in the pocket, under pressure, steps up, throws it forward. Mostert makes the catch in the end zone.
Let's stop. We get a drive. We go down and score. We're right where we want to be.
You got to get a pick now. Boom.
Snap. They rush 4. Bridgewater is back to fire it right. Pass is intercepted by Duggar. Left to the 30. Outside to the 20. To the 15. To the 10. Duggar to the 5. Duggar to the end zone. He took it to the house. Again.
Here we
and
go.
The Patriots take the lead.
That was you said we got to turn the ball over and score on defense, man.
Throws it right. He's got an open Myers, a dive, and it's caught on target across the 45 of Miami.
That might be Mac Jones' best throw of the year.
To the shotgun. Stevenson lines up right slot. Shotgun snap to Jones, who lobs it left for Myers, who leaps and makes the catch. Brings it down for a touchdown, Patriots. Snap to Thompson, backs up 4-man rush. He's pressured. He's hit. Barmore has the sack. Christian Barmore is there again, bringing down Thompson at the 25.
Turn him up. He's doing the duck waddle.
Teammates to his right, and he kicks it in that direction. The ball comes to Hunter Henry, who goes down and squeezes it between his legs, covering up. They win against the Dolphins by a 23-21 final. And now it's on to Buffalo next week with a playoff spot on the line.